Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your course using a triangle. Let me show you. First step, you need to find the nearest compass rose in your destination. For example, this. As you can see a line, you need to put your first triangle on it. For example, this is your destination, the line. And then put the second triangle to support your first triangle going to the compass rose. And then slowly drag your first triangle in the center of the compass rose to get your course. And there you have it. Your course is 160. And to the second example. This. And put the second triangle in order to support your first triangle going to the center of the compass rose. And there you have it. Your course is 152. So that's how you get your course using the triangle. That's all. Thank you.